Our judges in this country are fucking scumbags. I personally think he should be hung from a bridge. They sit there and they go, Tom Zebra, we finally broke him. And they don't understand. They don't understand. The day that I break them back is going to be the day that they never fucking forget. If I was a deputy and I had the authority that he has and the others have, I would take my gun and my ammunition, and I could think of at least 25, 30 cops. I would line them right here in a row, and I would shoot every single one of them in the fucking head and be done with all those 25, 30 cops. Be done with them. I hope you catch hot lead in the face, motherfucker. Hot lead in the face. That's what you deserve. But just think how much better we would all be off. You know, we'd all be better off. They will never forget the day that I break them back. And I'm not talking about no lawsuit. I'm talking about the day that your family goes to your fucking funeral and everybody's like, oh my God, it couldn't have happened. He's so sweet. He's so good. We love him so much. Yeah, that's the day that the guy gets what he deserves. I hope you catch hot lead in the face, motherfucker. Doesn't matter who he is. A man will only been so far. If you bend a man in half and he's still free and he's still got his weapons, then what the fuck is going to happen at that point? I hope you catch hot lead in the face, motherfucker. Hot lead in the face. That's what you deserve. Are you allowed to say that that judge deserves to be hanging from a bridge? I personally think he should be hung from a bridge. I personally think he should be hung from a bridge.
Yeah, you can say that. Oh. You can't say that I'm going to hang you from the bridge. But you can say, I hope someone hangs you from the bridge.
I thought that's all I did. I personally think he should be hung from a bridge. I personally think he should be hung from a bridge.